Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Taste of Teranga. Today we're making thiakry, a classic Senegalese sweet couscous dessert that is perfect for Ramadan, parties, or just when you're grabbing something delicious. Let's get started. We're using the Millet couscous. Pour it in the bowl just like this and add some hot water to let it soak for about 1.5 hours because it was dry. So when you have the fresh one, you don't need to do all of this. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the microwave to steam it for 3 minutes. Okay guys, it's already steamed. Let's mix it with butter, some vanilla sugar, and add some dry resin. And guys, if you never had to try it, it's the right time, and it's really easy to make. Mix all together and add some nutmeg just like this and let it cool. Now in the large bowl, add sour cream or yogurt, add some sugar, and this is where magic happens. Taste and adjust the sweetness to your liking. Add some vanilla extracts, add some orange blossom water, add some evaporated milk. You can add condensed milk too if you have it. Then mix all together. Our creamy base is ready. Let's add the cooled millet into it, and don't add it when it's hot. You have to let it cool completely, because if you mix it while it's hot, it's going to be heavy. And don't over mix it because we want it creamy, not mushy. Our creamy thiakry is ready, and you can top it with fresh fruit like strawberry, banana, mango, or even with coconut flakes. Then chill it in the fridge for at least 1 hour for the best flavor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.